Walking through here. Sun's already starting to shine. Beautiful. You can see the Hollywood sign up there already. So yeah, let's go up. Beautiful views of Hollywood Reservoir up down there and downtown LA. Super steep uphill from the trailhead. So you can see how everything goes. And yeah, make sure to, stay hydrated on this hike and have water. I got my National Parks water bottle here. Get one in the link. But yeah, beautiful cactuses, all types of vegetation here. Hollywood Lake down there. Awesome. I go through a trailhead. And we're in. Tough incline here now. Probably don't want to wear Crocs like me here. Beautiful views though. All worth it. How are you feeling? Good. As you can see, very crowded, guys.
This part's very slippery. Huh? Can be. I feel like.
Bunch of people here. Very, very rugged. Unmaintained trail here. But as you continue, the views just get better and better as you ascend above the power lines. Very rugged terrain here. So you can see Lake Hollywood in the background. And downtown Los Angeles south. Going through pretty good here, guys. Pretty sure it's like a minty kite type like plant that grows here. Yeah. Very rugged. Beautiful place. Beautiful sunset. Keep in mind, there's people passing by. Be careful not to slip or knock into somebody. Beautiful Universal City right there.
A group of people that said you lived in.
Did we?
Not homeless, but with a super view.
Oh yeah. Fire helicopter up there already. Always fires here constantly. Fun fact. Plane there, pretty cool. Fun fact, Wisdom Tree is actually the only tree standing after the Griffith Park fire. That's why it's so popular and a cool landmark. So as you approach here, it's very slippery. Probably don't want to be in Crocs like I am. Yeah. You just keep getting better and better. So, as you can see, Saturday evening, tons and tons and tons of people, as this is one of the most popular hikes in Los Angeles / Griffith Park. Full of dirt. Hollywood right there. Views. A++. Guessing to continue, probably here, because Wisdom Tree is not this side. Guys, start drawing graffiti around here. Freaking made it. 360 views of the summit. Wisdom Tree, guys. Lake LA, Catalina Island, possibly Santa Rosa, Glendale. Look at that, guys. With Glendale, Burbank, downtown Burbank, to the right. Oh man, exciting. There's the tree, guys. And the flag post right there. Beautiful, guys. Sign the register post. You guys can sign anything you want here. Do all the good stuff. Notes people left and stuff. What the frick is that, man? Bunch of crazy stuff. Sign in a second. We also have some art here. Pretty beautiful. Sunset's rolling in. Hey guys, Wisdom Tree was awesome. Very fun hike. It's a 1 mile hike and a 1 mile hike down, so 2 miles round trip. Very beautiful views of Glendale, Burbank, Ocean, downtown LA, Catalina Island. You enjoyed the hike?
Yes, sir.
Kind of bright right here, so you can't really see them.
Goodbye, folks.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't see coyotes, or actually hopefully, I like coyotes. And they're dangerous, so watch out. Always have a sprayer stuff and stuff, so yeah, pretty beautiful, guys. See you on the next one.